Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this beautiful Chrysler 300, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your air filter in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood and we're gonna take a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so our air filter housing is right here. In order to get to the filter, we need to take the top cap off. So we have 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. So what I'm doing next, I'm just gonna unscrew all the screws, unscrew them and take them out and put them right here. Okay, when we have our screws out, just put them right there, not to lose them, and then we just gently raise up the lid. Okay, so we have to take them up like this and raise it up. That's it. Now we have access to the air filter, so we just take it out and inspect it. This air filter seems used, but it's not very bad. So what you can do, you can just clean it. Of course, the best way is to replace it with the new one. New filter is like runs only around less than $20 with shipping. It's easy to buy. You can buy it at any parts store, eBay, Amazon, whatever. And when you have the replacement filter, same way. You open this, put the filter back in, make sure there are no debris, nothing in here. Don't lose tools inside there. Nothing. That's it. You can just close it like this. To close it properly, first thing, you slide these pins in like this, and then you reinstall the 3 screws. Okay, so put screws back in. Okay, and once you have all the screws back in place, you are all set. So guys, hope this helps. Take care of your car and have a great day. Bye.